Hello everyone, welcome to Last Hour CS. If you want to understand computer science concepts quickly, clearly, and without wasting time, this channel is for you. Here, we focus on precise explanations and strong fundamentals, all in a very short duration. Today, we're starting with the basics. What is an algorithm? Let's get started. An algorithm is a finite, well-defined sequence of steps used to solve a problem or perform a computation. To understand this more clearly, let's take a very simple day-to-day example, making coffee. First, we start and take a cup. Then, we add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar. After that, we pour hot water into the cup. Next, we stir the mixture well. And finally, the coffee is ready. Notice that each step is clear, ordered, and finite. This is exactly what an algorithm is, a step-by-step process to achieve a desired result. In fact, almost everything around us, whether in daily life or in computers, follows some form of algorithm. Now let's understand the important characteristics of an algorithm. First is finiteness. An algorithm must have a finite number of steps. This means it should always come to an end and should not run forever. Just like making coffee, after a few steps the process stops. The second characteristic is effectiveness. Each step of an algorithm should be simple, clear, and easy to execute. No step should be vague or impossible to perform. In other words, every instruction must be practical and doable. Next is input. An algorithm may take 0 or more inputs. These inputs are the data that the algorithm works on. For example, numbers given to an addition algorithm are inputs. Finally, output. Every algorithm must produce at least one output after execution. The output is the final result of the algorithm. So, an algorithm is meaningful only when it is finite, effective, takes input, and produces output. Now let's understand an algorithm with a simple example. Suppose we want to add two numbers a and b. First, we start the algorithm. Then, we read the values of a and b. For example, let it be 23 and b be 22. Next, we calculate the sum by adding a and b. That is, sum equals a plus b. After calculation, we print the value of sum, which is 45. Finally, we stop the algorithm. This step-by-step procedure is a simple example of an algorithm. And that's a wrap on algorithms. Now that you know the basics, get ready. Because next time, we're tackling big O notation, time, and space complexity. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you're the first to know when that drops. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like to support the channel. See you soon.